Hey there, this video will detail the process of recording overhead costs for a specific works order, following the introduction to the feedback console. For a general overview, please refer to the Introduction to Feedback Entries and Introduction to Feedback Console, links provided in the description. Why is this so important? Well, overheads like work center times and labor are often the hidden costs in manufacturing. By capturing these actuals, you ensure your works orders reflect the true cost of production, making your financial reporting a single source of truth. Let's take a look. Once you are in the feedback console for your works order, head straight to the Costs tab. This is where the magic happens for your overheads. You will see 5 main buttons: Work Center, Raw Materials, Setup Time, Labor Time, and Other Costs. Raw materials are a distinct category, but the other 4 overhead categories function similarly within the system. We will now focus on learning about these 4 overheads. Begin by selecting the Work Center button. Before we enter data, let's look at the grid. You have the quantity standard, which is the quantity planned in your BOM, and quantity actual, which shows what has already been captured. The quantity outstanding column shows you exactly what is left to be recorded for this works order. The most important part is this yellow column labeled Quantity to Issue. Whatever quantity is in this yellow cell is exactly what will be processed by the system when you save. The Rate Standard column displays the expected hourly cost, which is derived from your bill of materials. You should generally maintain this value unless your current hourly rates have changed. If your team worked exactly the hours planned, here is a handy shortcut. Just hit the Auto button. Xperdyte will automatically issue the standard hours for that specific line, saving you from manual entry. But if a work center takes longer than anticipated, manually input the quantity into the relevant cell to capture this variance. If you are midway through a long production run and need to record progress, you do not have to wait until the job is complete. You can capture a portion of the associated overhead costs at any time, using a convenient feature called Proportional Issue. This shortcut is ideal for situations where you know you have completed a specific quantity of the total works order. Simply enter the number of finished units for this period, and click on Proportional Issue. Xperdyte will then calculate the exact ratio of overhead costs that should be issued against those units. When your entry is ready, you have a few ways to finish. You can click Save, or use Save and Print or Save and Preview if you need an issue document for your records. Once you click Save, the entry is saved in Xperdyte against the works order, and the value is automatically posted to your accounting system. It is that simple. Capturing these actuals keeps your system healthy and your costs accurate. If you need help with specific overhead setups, reach out to us at info@xperdyte.co.za. Happy manufacturing!